Good morning, class 7. Now we are going to do exercise 4.3, chapter decimal. Very easy thing. Add the following decimal. What you have to do, just according to exact place value, you have to put the number or you have to put the digit. It is 65.718. So what is given, just according to the digit I have put it. So this is the answer. Here it is 41 and it is 578. So 5 will be, it is 1/10th place, this is in hundredths place, and this is in thousandths place. So place it according to its place value. So this is it. Subtract the following decimal. Subtraction, normal subtraction, just you have to do according to the place value you have to put it. Okay, now this is following 500 minus 179.68. now see, as 500 after decimal point there is nothing, so put here 0 0. As there is nothing, put here 0 0. It will be easier for you to solve it. Now take 179.68 according to their place value. This is in 10th position and this is in hundredths position, so take it accordingly to. Now as these are 0, so how we take it? Take it as that. So here the answer will be 320.32. Next, multiply the following decimal. Now this thing you have to understand. It is given 63.23 into 10. What you have to do, as there 10 1 0 you are multiplying, so what it will be, this decimal point will be shifted right side 1. How many 0? 1 0. So it will be shift 1 place. So I have done it. In right side I have shifted the decimal point 1 place. See, it is 1000. So how many 0 is there? 3 0 is there. Okay, 16.6 into 1000. So write this number and it will be shifted right side 3 digit. So as there is only one digit, take 2 0. So after here I have taken all the zeros, and then after 3 digits I have taken the decimal point. So 1 2 3. So this, after this I have taken the 0. Now this 0 is useless, so cut it. This is the answer. Next, multiply the following decimal. Normal multiplication you have to do. Normal multiplication you have to do. Okay, then what you have to do, count after decimal point how many digits. 1 2 3 4. Total 4 digits are there after decimal point. So from the right side take 4 digit. 1 2 3 4. Before this 4 digit you have to take the decimal point. Okay, before this 4 digit you have to take the decimal point. Next, same thing I have done. Normal multiplication, and then how many digit after decimal point? 1 2 3. So from right side take 3 digits first. 1 2 3, and before these 3 digits I have taken the decimal point. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, divide the following. 53.71 divided by 100. During multiplication we were shifting the decimal point right side. See, shifting the decimal point right side, but when we are doing division we have to shift the decimal point left side. How many position, how many 0 are here? 1 and 2 0. Okay, so from here before 2 more digits you have to shift the decimal point. So before 3 and 5 you have to take the decimal point. So this is the answer. Here the same thing, 108.630. So before this decimal point take 3 digit, 1 2 3. So before 1 you have to take this decimal point. Next, question number 6. 2 I have done, division. What you have to do, see, here one decimal point is given, here also one decimal point is given. Now see, these are like decimal. Why? Because after decimal point one digit here also and here also one digit. So you can omit it, means you can cut the point. Now what we will get, 9 2 3 4 5. Normal division you have to do. After here you are not going to take any number because there is nothing. So take a decimal point and take 0 for this point and do the division normal method. See, I have done 2 times after the decimal point, then leave it, because you can understand that it will be an approximate value. So I have taken it 259.39 approximate, or you can take it as 259.4 approximately. Okay, so this is the this is the answer. Now you try the rest of the question. These are easy, you will be able to do it. Thank you, class.